Hello my dear friends, welcome to Global Food Techno Solutions. We are based out of Hyderabad and we provide food and beverage consultancy all over India. For more information, visit www.globalfoodie.com. Our today's topic is based on aseptic processing and packaging for food. So without any further ado, let's start the video. First we'll look what does aseptic means. The term aseptic denotes the absence or exclusion of any unwanted microorganisms from the product, package or other specified areas. Aseptic processing and packaging means filling commercially sterilized and cooled product into pre-sterilized containers and sealing it under aseptic conditions. In aseptic packaging, raw or unprocessed product is heated, sterilized at high temperature for a specific amount of time, then it is cooled and delivered to packaging system for packaging. Aseptic packaging can be used to package a wide range of food products such as milk, juices, purees, wine, sauces, dairy and other products. There are two specific fields of application of aseptic packaging. Packaging of pre-sterilized and sterile products, example, milk and dairy products, puddings, desserts, fruits and vegetable juices, soups and sauces. Second one is packaging of non-sterile product to avoid infection by microorganisms, example, fresh products such as fermented dairy products like yogurt. Aseptic technology is fundamentally different from conventional food processing by canning. In canning, the process begins with treating the food prior to filling. Though conventional canning keeps the food commercially sterile, the nutritional and organoleptic properties of the food generally suffer in the processing. Also, the tin plate containers which are used are heavy in weight, they are prone to rusting and are of high cost. Conventional canning versus aseptic packaging. First we'll look upon conventional process flow. Here the non-sterile product is filled into the non-sterile package. Then it is sealed and a retort processing, which is a thermal processing that involves application of heat, is carried out. Then it is cooled and further it goes for storage and distribution. Whereas in aseptic process flow, product and package are individually heat treated. Product is treated at high temperature short time, then it is cooled and filled into the pre-sterilized package. Then it is sealed and further it goes for storage or distribution. Aseptic packaging methodology comprises the following: sterilization of the food products before filling, sterilization of packaging materials or containers and closures before filling, sterilization of aseptic installations before operations, UHT unit, lines for product, filler, sterile air and gases, relevant machine zones. Maintaining sterility in this total system is important in production of hermetic, that is airtight packages. Sterilization of the product. In aseptic processing, pre-sterilization of a product usually consists of heating the product to the desired ultra-high temperature, maintaining it for a given period in order to achieve the desired degree of sterility with subsequent cooling, usually to ambient or elevated temperature to achieve right viscosity for filling. Heating and cooling should be performed as rapidly as possible to achieve the best quality depending upon the nature of the product. Heat transfer methods used for the process are as follows. Steam injection or infusion method. In steam injection, steam is injected into the product. In infusion method, steam and the product get infused with each other. Plate heat exchanger uses methods which are parallel to each other. Tubular heat exchanger uses series of tubes. Swept surface, also known as scrape surface, wherein the product is brought in contact with the heat transfer surface that is rapidly and continuously scraped. Some of the latest methods that are used are microwave, electrical resistance, heating, high voltage discharge, ultra high pressure. Sterilization of aseptic packaging materials and equipment. Sterilizing agents like heat, chemical and radiation have been used alone or in combination for sterilizing aseptic packaging materials and equipments. Heat. Initially, heat was used as deterrent for aseptic system. Product supply lines and fillers are commonly sterilized by moist heat in the form of hot water or saturated steam under pressure, whereas dry heat in the form of superheated steam or hot air may also be used to sterilize equipment. Systems employing moist heat are frequently sterilized at temperature ranging from 121 degrees Celsius to 129 degrees Celsius. For dry heat, it is 176 degrees Celsius to 232 degrees Celsius. Also, sterilization of air by incineration is usually conducted at temperature from 260 degrees Celsius to 315 degrees Celsius. Chemicals like hydrogen peroxide is mostly used as chemical sterilant. Other chemicals like ethanol, ethylene oxide and peracetic acid is used. Hydrogen peroxide is not an efficient sporicide when used at room temperature. However, its activity increases with increasing temperature. Radiations. Gamma radiations have been used for decades to sterilize packaging materials which are used for packaging acids or acidified foods. UV rays, on the other hand, has been used to decontaminate food contact surfaces. However, its use is limited because of its low penetration power. Filling. Once the product has been brought to sterilization temperature, it flows into a holding tube. This process is designed to ensure that the fastest moving particle will receive sufficient time temperature for sterilization. There is some temperature loss of the product when entering to this holding tube. Therefore, the temperature of the product should be high before entering, so that even if the temperature drops, it will still at least be at prescribed temperature. A deaerator is used to remove air, as most of the product requires deaeration before aseptic packaging. The deaerator generally consists of a vessel in which the product is exposed to a vacuum on a continuous flow. The product is then pumped into the surge tank and is removed by maintaining a positive pressure in the tank with sterile air or other sterile gas before packaging. Seals and closures. The package should be hermetically sealed in order to maintain sterility during handling and distribution. Types of sealing. As we all can see on a Tetra Pak, there are two types of sealing: transversal seal and longitudinal seal. Transversal seal mechanism function to thermally seal the packaging material in a transverse direction that is perpendicular to the direction of the packaging material, whereas the longitudinal sealing function to thermally seal the package in a longitudinal direction which comes in contact with the overlap portion of the packaging material. The heating section heats the contact section to perform the longitudinal seal portion. Types of aseptic packages. Carton boxes made from cardboard boxes. Bags and pouches. Below pouches are usually used for packaging of milk. three-sided sealed pouches, however, is suitable also for aseptic packaging of particulates up to particle size of 12 mu and bag sizes from 1 to 5 liters. Cups and trays, they are either used as pre-made or form, filled and sealed in a machine. They come in packs suitable for microwave heating also. Usually polypropylene based multi-layer materials with EVOH, ethylene vinyl alcohol copolymer, are applied for this purpose. Bottles and jar. Glass bottles may be aseptically filled with food containing small particles. For example, baby food. Jars may be filled with large particles, that is 12 mm cube size or larger. Plastic cans and lids with easy opening feature consist of PP EVOH. They are sterilized with hydrogen peroxide, UV radiation and heat sealed inductively. The can is presently offered for liquids only, for example coffee. Metal cans are also used. Composite cans. These may at present not be filled with particulate food but only with fruit juices with long fibers. Advantages of aseptic packaging. Packaging materials which are unsuitable for in-packaging sterilization can be used. Therefore, lightweight materials consuming less space, offering convenient features and with low cost, such as paper and flexible semi-rigid plastic materials can be used. Sterilization process of high temperature, short time for aseptic packaging is thermally efficient and generally give rise to product of high quality and nutritive value compared to those processed at low temperatures for longer time. Extension of shelf life of products at normal temperature by packing them aseptically. Packaging material must meet following factors. Packaging material must be compatible with the product intended to be packed and must comply with applicable material migration requirement. Physical integrity of the package is necessary to assume containment of the product and maintenance of sterility. The package material must be able to withstand sterilization and be compatible with the methods of sterilization. The package must protect the product from oxygen and also must retain the aroma of the product. Here are the types of aseptic packaging of food products. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, comment and like. Videos by Global Food Techno Solution. Y'all can also visit our website, www.globalfoodie.com.